Now we shall look into the fourth slokam of Soundarya Lahari. Tvadanyah panibhyam abhayavarado daivataganaha.
Tvadanyah panibhyam abhayavarado daivataganaha.
Tvameka naiva asi.
Tvameka naiva asi.
Prakatitavara bhityabhinaya.
Prakatitavara bhityabhinaya.
Bhayatratum datum.
Bhayatratum datum.
Phalamapi cha.
Phalamapi cha.
Vacha samadhikam.
Vacha samadhikam.
Sharanye.
Saranye.
Lokana.
Lokana.
Tavahi.
Tavahi.
Charanameva nipunau.
Charanameva nipunau. Ishaan, how the rupam of Lalita Ma differs from other Devi and Devatas?
This is the aspect that Shankaracharya actually discussed about in this slokam. Devi Lalita's iconography is very unique, not like other Devi Devatas. Saraswati holds a veena, then Akshamala, and different forms of Saraswati. Some forms hold Kamandalam, some forms hold Vedam, some of those forms hold Agama Shastrams. Lakshmi holds two Kamalams and then two Abhaya Varada Mudras. Any Devata, usually we see them holding two Abhaya Devata Mudras. But in the case of Lalitambika, we see her holding one Ikshu Chapa, sugarcane bow in her left bottom hand, and left upper hand would be holding a Pasham, and Ankusham with the right upper hand, and Pancha Vishpabanas with the right bottom hand. We don't really see these Abhaya Varada Mudras here. That is what Shankaracharya says, Tvadanyah panibhyam, anyah panibhyam. Others, their hands have these Abhaya Varada Mudras. Lalitambika, Tvadanyah panibhyam, Abhaya Varado Devataganaha. Other Devataganam, every Devata in the Devataganam holds Abhaya Varada Mudras. But here Devi, Tvameka naiva asi. You are the only one who doesn't hold such kind of Abhaya Varada Mudras. Tvameka naiva asi prakatitavara bhityabhinaya. You don't hold the mudras. But you are the one who gives Varadam, you are the one who gives Varas, you bestow with boons, you are the ones who give Abhayam as well, but you don't hold them. And then, Bhayatratum Tatum Phalamapichavancha Samadhikam. Just because you don't hold the Varada Mudra, doesn't mean you don't bestow your Bhakta with whatever he needs. Bhayatratum Datum. Whoever is with Bhayam, you are the ones who rescue them. The Abhaya Mudra, though it is not being physically shown, you are giving them Abhayam. Phalamapichavancha samadhikam. When someone asks you for something, the vancha, you give more than that. The phalam is samadhikam. Adhikam than whatever he has asked you. Just because you don't hold Varadamudra, doesn't mean you don't bestow Varam. You don't hold Abhayam, but you give Bhayatratum Datum. You give Abhayam to the one who is Bhayam. Similarly, you don't hold Varadamudra, but you give more than required for your Bhakta. Bhayatratum Datum. Phalamapichavancha samadhikam. Sharanye. And you are the one whom I am actually asking you to rescue me. You are my rescuer. You are my Devi Śrī Mātre, you are Lalitambika, and I am falling at your feet. I am holding your feet, Sharanye. I am taking your Sharanyam. Lokanam tavahi charanaveva nipuno. Not just me, but the entire Lokam is taking your Sharanyam when they need you. And every time, every single second, you are the Sharanyam, you are the ultimate, you are the Gati. For the entire Lokam. Sharanye, Lokanam Tavahi Charanaveva Nipunam. Your Padam, your Charanam is the only thing, that the only Sharanyam for the entire Lokam. So that is the iconography of Lalitambika. Shankaracharya gives in the Sloka. It is very peculiar. Lalitambika doesn't really hold Varada Abhaya Mudras. But that doesn't mean she won't give Varas. That doesn't mean she won't give Abhayam. She gives more than that. And that is how the iconography of Lalita differs from other Devi Devatas.